Welcome to 419 12th Street Northeast. I'm here in Capitol Hill at this historic brick end unit. It's got that classic 1900s charm, but was fully remodeled in 2007. We're looking at 3-bed, 2.5 bath, and about 1,800 square feet of living space. Let's head inside, and I'll show you the rest of the tour.
First, as we come up to the front, you'll notice the double-decker front porches, a full century of Capitol Hill charm. Now let's step inside. A carved stone fireplace kicks off a big, open main level built for gathering. Hardwoods race front to back, past an exposed brick staircase and those end unit windows, light all day long. The dining room seats a crowd. Then through the stone archway, the kitchen shows off. Granite island with seating, rich wood cabinetry, stainless appliances, gas cooking, and cabinet space for days. Room to cook and room to hang out. Upstairs, the primary suite delivers. Tray ceiling, sunny corner windows, the bath, a big walk-in shower, and a marble-top vanity. And through its own door, a private balcony in the treetops. Your new morning coffee spot. Bedroom 2 comes with its own rooftop deck, a private perch over the neighborhood, and the sunny corner room, a ready-made home office. Out back, covered porch, fenced yard, stone paver path, 2 full levels of outdoor living. All of it minutes from Eastern Market, Lincoln Park, and the Metro.
Thank you so much for touring this beautiful Capitol Hill row house with me today. If you'd like to experience it in person, please reach out to Brian Hill or our Wardman residential team to schedule a private tour.